After several months of hearing, the Banjul Magistrate Court has finally issued its verdict on the 9 3-year Jotna officials who were arrested in 2020 following the violent 3-year Jotna protest. We engaged some members of the movement following their rearrest and detainment by police shortly after the court's decision.
Bimbe dame niyo kuyata bake bayde nga kule je mi yalonko amanyafa ni aje nko ko amanyafa momi yalonko yamuta e kay offense leke ya samba kitiola jojo nata acquit and discharge abata court house leke ya arrest ba musani net mi yalonko nyanta gambia besilala. Look, bi nyine bekerin sama memina nobody knows mo malon sama jumanyo lebe arrest la woto Gambia mbele tam mbele kanenta je memma nyanna kala ngamira mbele nyanta lola kaje ko amanya nakake bayri mbata kule kono kunu Gambia no bele kafta nyuma ka kele so ninka fo nyoy ko kelo bantale mina nyin ku sifal je ka be ke ka woto ndanga je ko kelo man commencer falo bayri man kelo ke nyina ko yaale nyanda ka bojang ngaje ko system mo membi jang wala nyanda ka stop. But the same system is coming. You have
the legislature, the judiciary, and the executive. January 26th, 2020, we were charged with treason the last time I checked and was taken to the High Court. January 26th, 2020, we were charged with destruction and was taken to the High Court the last time I checked. And the High Court dropped treason, destruction to the lower court. What we have here today at the lower court is misdemeanor. The independence of the judiciary is what make me have hope that after we wrap up here, because when I was in the courtroom and heard the judge said, you all are free to go. But I was like freaked out when we stepped out of the courthouse and was arrested. But in America, what are you going to charge these people with right now? We call that double jeopardy. You cannot charge us with the same crime 2 times. Today we were arrested for the second time. The first time was January 26th, 2020. The second time is today when the court decided on our fate. And what the government say? Oh, no. This cannot go like that. I hate to say this, man. I'm sitting right here. Everybody's saying, Yaya Jammeh's time, this don't never happen. That is, you go to the court, the judge gavelled the court and said you are free to go. What they're talking about here is Yaya Jammeh never sent the paramilitaries to come wait at the courthouse to arrest us again. But then, what do we want to do? We want to wait until we know what's going on here. Then the media, hey, we are ready to come with you all. Because this is just not the 3 years Jotna family problem. This is the problem of the Gambian people.
It's not a surprise, I can say, because at the end of the day, it's something that I can say we expected. Because one thing for them, the judges all they did their work, and so that's what they did at the end of the day. They just people just ran out of the courthouse and they just arrest them again. So it's very unfortunate, but still now the struggle continues. We are not going back since day when I said it at the.
I can't able to express and say a lot of things at the moment, but what I just heard from people, what people are talking about, saying about, if that's the reality, then the government is losing their credit. Yeah, because people will know exactly whether, Gambian law is law. If you think they should be arrested, I think so there should be another procedure being taken to me. So if that is the case, then it will be fine. This is my opinion. I'm not going to say a lot now unless I hear from but what I just hear from the view, what people are talking about, all right? This Gambia is for us. We have to build it. It's for Gambian, and we are Gambians. Everyone, you can have your civil right to express. Yeah, I'm not saying to do something what is not going with the law, but we have our democratic right to express our freedom. We are citizens, not strangers, and we should be respected and treated like Gambian and citizens. That we've got right, we're not animals. Yeah, we should not be jeopardized. Definitely, it should not be that way.
Court case nying hanibi a cool be man sene but ngamil long wala nyinde ko comme Gambia be alo nyame 3 years jotna bile kete la kesti adu nada ki waro men soto wala nyinde ko ila case nying ya ko nyim banne bi jojo la fitaka ko nyim be banne adu state fango case nyin drop la information men kala soto non state case nyin drop le fo yenyu no bula pour kata so kono pour que fango access site tol bina munekela because wala be kela next minute bari comme nunto aka kenu nyame ngor jim tambila ye mobula a 5 kilo findinde banta dro ina muri ko nga arrest la ko tek akam da ko biwo ku kilo wala mursana so nga je ko wala keta ye namol mutala tukum fana ye samba ila fita ka o ku kilo murunde ka ke case kutoti bari o case me ya lon ko wala be keri man fel la faka nga kibarol men soto kukuta man finti mel nyanta la fa la o doka so ni atra ko kukutale la fata kan maybe mo sa fono ko okay evidence kutole soto me at ye wala la fa nyin doka bari imang evidence kuta samana the same charges men no ketanung hani bi wo the same charge kilon le wala murundi e fa wala men drop e ko ye wala murundina woto mu kulati me alon ka kaw ko yata bak yo mbe wala to jang say malon follow munebe kela because namolu e nyanta ke bulale sey so kono because fente bulu nyante dankula menna o ye samba mayel to ay diate nyame ye kewo nyam yete landi je fo janni wato men diate tol fangole ha bari na man kewde kay ini manta kujama kela because fente je ni siminki.
This is the Banjul Magistrate Court, where the top 9 officials of the 3 years Jotna movement appeared today. Their case took a twist after the police filed a withdrawal of their case. These top 9 officials of the 3 years Jotna movement are standing trial after a violent protest which erupted in 2020, where they were demanding for the resignation of President Adam Barrow as president, as they claim that these were the initial agreement of the coalition during the 2016 presidential elections. Their case have ended after the judge have released a final verdict that the state have not presented enough evidence against these 9 top